session, I will show you how the DISQOVER platform can help users in finding the information they need for IDMP submission. So this is how the DISQOVER platform looks like configured for the IDMP use case. Let's first have a look at the data sources that were used to construct this DISQOVER knowledge graph. As you can see here in the list of data sources and in the graph, the database is a mix of public data and data coming from Averbis and EMA. Now let's say we want to explore some of the medicinal products for HIV infection. I click on the medicinal product data category to access the list of all medicinal products. Next, I can filter for the matter term HIV infection. The filtered medicinal products for HIV infection are shown in this panel on the right and in this table as well. Now let's apply a second filter that checks for the active substance emcitarabine. The hits are updated based on the second filter. In the table, I can see that 2 medicinal products meet the filters I have specified. One in form of hard capsule and one in form of oral solution. I can look at the details of one of the hits by simply clicking on it. Detailed information includes the EMA SMPC document that I can preview and optionally download. Other detailed information includes the dollars form that is mapped to a term from controlled vocabularies. Here you can see the vocabulary term is associated with, term ID, relationship to other terms in other vocabularies. In this case, that would be a parent term solution. Another interesting option is the language translation class. All available translations for the dose form are listed, as you can see here on the screen, and can be filtered on. I can, for example, filter on German translation for my oral solution. All linked information you have seen was collected from Averbis that provided us with text-mined SMPC documents and referential master data coming from EMA. Now let's have a look on how one can consolidate private and public data. We will focus on the active substance emcitarabine. Every piece of information is tagged with its data source, so you have a perfect overview of the provenance of the information. I can also color each different data source for each visualization, and I can also filter one or more data sources. Using the power of knowledge graph, here one can continue to explore associated concepts such as reported adverse events with our active substance.